Here's how to test a Stripe quote step by step. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account. Once you are in, look at the environment setting and make sure the dashboard is in sandbox mode before you continue. Then this matters because you want to create and review a test quote, not something tied to live customer activity. If you are not in the test environment, switch to sandbox and wait for the dashboard to refresh. After that, open the Customers area from the main navigation. You will see your customer list there. Select the test customer from that list to open the customer record. Make sure you choose a customer created for testing so the quote stays within your sandbox workflow. Inside the customer page, scroll down until you find the quotes section. This section shows any quotes that already exist for that customer. To create a new one, click the plus button in the quotes area. That opens the quote creation screen for the selected customer. Now add the product or subscription that you want to include in the quote. Depending on what is available in your account, you may be selecting an existing product, a recurring subscription item, or another prepared pricing option. Add the item you want to test and make sure it matches the scenario you want to review in sandbox mode. Once the item is added, take a moment to review the quote details. Check the product information, quantity, pricing, billing structure, and any subscription settings shown on the page. If something needs to be adjusted, make those changes here before the quote is finalized. This is the point where you confirm that the quote reflects the intended setup for the customer. When the details look correct, click Finalize Quote. Stripe will then generate the finalized version of that quote. After it is finalized, open the quote to inspect it as a completed record rather than a draft. This is the version you want to verify as part of the test. In the finalized quote, review the full quote details carefully. Confirm that the pricing is correct and that any subscription terms shown on the quote match what you intended to include. If the quote contains recurring charges, check that the recurring structure is displayed the way you expected. If it is a one-time product quote, confirm that the product and total pricing are listed correctly. At this stage, the goal is to verify that the finalized quote accurately represents the customer offer you created in Sandbox. You have now created, finalized, and reviewed a Stripe quote in test mode.